Introducing the TriMag 5.0 Magnetic Pool Safety Latch from Value Fencing, the ultimate solution for securing your swimming pool gate. Built with high-strength UV-resistant materials and stainless steel components, the TriMag 5.0 is engineered for durability in all weather conditions. Its magnetic self-latching system ensures your gate automatically secures every time it closes, while the press and lift button at the top prevents young children from opening the gate. For added security, the latch includes a key lock mechanism, giving you peace of mind when the pool is unattended. The TriMag 5.0 is fully compliant with SANS 10400-B and SANS 1390 pool safety regulations. When combined with Value Fencing stainless steel self-closing hinges, your gate will always swing outward, self-close, and self-latch, meeting the latest municipal bylaws. Installation is simple. Mount the latch body to your gate, align the striker bracket, assemble the striker, and fine-tune the adjustment. Once installed, the TriMag 5.0 delivers smooth, reliable performance for years to come. Choose the TriMag 5.0 for safety, compliance, and lasting quality you can trust.